Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only friends and users you follow can join you in experience on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here and now click settings. Now click privacy, and here you'll find it who can join me in experience. Click on it and click here friends and users you follow, and that's it, it will be saved. And that's how to make only friends and users you follow can join you in experience, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.